the bolts and the beautifuls. Start over here. 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 There. Oh, oops. And there. 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 Then, yes, guys. So. Underneath. Then. This one, good old Black & Decker. Okay. Oops. Guys, aluminium bolts. I can't understand that. Okay, now let's move on. Then, now let's see, guys. I've got all the bolts out. Yep. Then we're gonna start. Wait a minute, this one over here. Pry it over there where I got my prying stuff. This one. Let's see. Nope. This one. Nope. Over here. Yes. That was a good one. And over here, but need something thicker. Hey, maybe. Wait a minute. 2. Yes. There he comes. Carefully not to pinch your fingers. There's a strong magnet. Carefully. See, it's all loose now. Sometimes it shoots back in place. Up. Now guys, as you can see, this is the original one, and these are almost burned. But this one looks brand new. So I'm gonna exchange this one for this one. So I'm gonna take this one out. Wouldn't be so difficult. See, it's not that tight. Up. This one too. Up. Up. Then this one. Of course, BMW uses another size. See, well, this is 27, so it's 25. Could be this one. It is this one. Yep. Oh, very tight. So, that one. Okay, then we need to this one. That's easy, guys. Now I have to take this, also in place. Then Oppa. Old one, and okay, see, give that a clean. Then we're gonna, guys, take this one out. This looks much better. And oh. Okay. Yes. Okay. This one. Okay. This one. Okay, guys, take this out. This lifting up. Now, okay, this 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this one. This is the old one. Okay. Yes. This out of the way. Just scratch the one. Yes. Then, guys, we're gonna wait. Give that a clean. Clean. Okay, yes. Then we need to take old gasket off. Is that easy? No. Normally it is. Okay. You can take it off with your nails, as I do. So. Now, well, this is it for now. Guys, we're gonna use liquid gasket. A bit of liquid gasket, as I absolutely don't want this one to start leaking. And that is okay. Get that gasket out of the way. Okay. The inside too. Up. Yes. Now. I think I'm gonna push it in. Okay. Now, guys, we're gonna give this some liquid gasket. And I want to be absolutely sure that this one is not leaking. So I'm gonna push it a bit in. So then that one in. Wait a minute, I missed. that. Okay, and this one comes over there. Yes. This is hi. So moment. This get in. So then this one. So this looks far more better than the other one. I didn't like that. Okay. Tight it. As we know by now, it wasn't that tight. So up, 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 up. Yes. Yes. Okay, then this one, sure that's tight too. Okay, now guys, then we're gonna mount it.